Jacob, Ninang Sonia has a gift to you. You wanna open Ninang Sonia's gift? Wait. I'm going to get it. Oh, wow! Ninang Sonia's gift to Jacob. Wow! Wow! Ninang Sonia's gift to Jacob. Wow! Wow! Wow, it's a headband for your hair. It's a headband. Yay, thank you, Ninang Sonia. I'm now a cow. Thank you. Wow, this will be Jacob's toy. Jacob. Oh my, he likes that. He thinks it's his toy. Looky. And another one. This is your toy. Oh my, look at you. Look at you, so pretty. Pretty, Jacob, pretty. Oh, this looks better on you. Do you look like a cow? Ay, there's a cow. There's a cow. I have a baby cow. Thank you, Ninang Sonia. Thank you, Ninang Sonia. This is Ninang Sonia's gift. You're now a cow, and there's another one. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? It's a wine. Oh my. Oh my. Are you gonna drink the wine? It's not for you. It's not for you. It's for Mama. You broke the wine last year. I know. You like the wrapper? Oh, the wrapper is Jacob's. Thank you, Ninang Sonia, for my toy. I like bubble wrap toys because you always play with your bubble wrap toy. Is this your toy? Ooh, it's a toy. You've got a bubble wrap toy now. Hold on. You don't have scissors. Hold on. Shush. No. Okay. Oh my! Look at that! Look at that! Thank you, Ninang Sonia. And this is Jacob's. This is Jacob's toy. You wanna drink? Why are you smelling this? You wanna drink? You wanna drink, Jacob? You wanna drink? Why? Are you going to drink? You want this? Oh wow! He's licking it. You want to drink? Or this one you want? This is your toy. This is your bubble wrap toy. Look, oh, look. It's a bubble wrap. This is so good. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. You wear this. You take